Hi, this is Mrs. Wagner. I will be working on page 5, number 1 of your notes packet. Remember, if you don't have a hard copy of your notes available, you can follow along or use notebook paper. There are 2 ways to approach this problem. Which one of the following points lies on the circle represented by the equation x minus 1 quantity squared plus y minus 3 quantity squared equals 49? The first approach is substitution. By substitution, I mean the x and y values that you're given can be plugged in to the equation in these locations. So I'm going to do that now. Negative 1 minus 1 squared plus 4 minus 3 squared equals 49. At this point, you're just going to do math. I suggest you do all of the math on this side at one time. And the resulting answer is 5. 5 is not equal to 49. Therefore, this point, negative 1, 4, is not on the circle. I'm going to show you one more substitution. So the 0 goes in for the x, and the 7 goes in for the y. So I would do 0 minus 1 squared plus 7 minus 3 squared equals 49. When I do the math here, it is 17. That is not equal to 49, so 07 is not on the circle. Now I'm going to switch over to Desmos, and I'm going to show you.
Hi, this is Mrs. Wagner. I will be working on page 5, number 1 of your notes.
I'm going to show you. Oops, this is what happens when I let Miss Wagner use technology. I'm going to show you how to plug in the equation of the circle. And to do that, you can use the keypad or you can use the keypad they have here or your normal keypad. So I'm going to plug in x minus 1 quantity squared plus y minus 3 quantity squared equals 49. So now you have this beautiful circle, and I'm going to take all 4 of the points that are here, the negative 1, 4, 0, 7, 1, 3, and 8, 3, and I'm going to make them into a table on the Desmos. So to do that, I have to hit the plus sign, and notice there's a table as an option, and I use the tab button, so I put in negative 1, tab 4, tab again, and if I just keep using the tab button, I can quickly enter all of these in. And next I have 8, 3. And if you notice, there is only one point on the circle. These points are obviously not on the circle, so if I go over here and click, it shows me that 8, 3 is on the circle. So you can use Desmos or you can use substitution. On the next slide, you will practice writing the equation of a circle, then use one of the 2 methods you just learned to figure out which points lie on the circle.